Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make this delicious omelette that you can have for your breakfast or lunch. So if you'd like to know how I made this, then please watch this video until the end. So guys, for this recipe I'll be using 2 eggs, oil, some salt, onion, this Costack Spices curry powder, which I'd like to say a big thank you to you for sponsoring today's video. Guys, I've been using this in so many dishes, like seriously it goes so well, especially with this omelette. So I'll leave all the details on where to purchase them in the description box below so you can get your own. Here I've got 3 bell peppers. I've got red, yellow and green. I'm not going to use everything. I'm going to show you exactly how I'm going to use it. And I've got some bacon. I love me some bacon. So that is it guys. So for more information, please see the description box below. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to give it a like, comment, share with your friends and family and subscribe if you haven't. So without further ado, let's get started. So guys, I'm going to start with prepping everything. So as you can see, these bell peppers are just too much for the 2 eggs that I have. So what I do, I just cut a small portion of it. As you can see, I'm going to cut 3 of them. Just use the amount that you think is best for the eggs that you're going to fry. And this is how much I'm using. And what I'm basically going to do here, I'm going to cut them in small pieces. And I'm going to do the same thing with onion. The onion was a bit too much. I had to remove some of it because I only got 2 eggs, as you can see. I don't want it to be too much because bear in mind I'm going to add some bacon as well. I'm now cracking 2 eggs, then add a pinch of salt and just under a teaspoon of the curry powder. Guys, trust me, a small amount goes a long way. And next what I'm going to do is just beat it to mix everything together. So guys, on medium heat, I'm adding a reasonable amount of oil into the pan. You can use any frying oil of your choice. I'm using vegetable oil, so I'm just waiting for that to get hot. Next, fry the onion and bell peppers until it's a bit soft. Once the vegetables are softened, as you can see, I'm adding some bacon. Add as much as you like. So this is how much I'm adding. And at this point, you want to make sure that the bacon is cooked before adding in the egg. Last but not least, what I do is pour the egg all over that pan, and what I basically do is spread it around. So as you can see, this is what I do, just to spread it around so that it cooks properly on every side. And I also use my spatula just to move it around so every side gets cooked. Okay guys, so this part can be tricky. So what I basically do is fold it in half. Don't worry too much if it breaks apart, if it falls apart. I'm going to show you a trick. I'm going to show you a secret on how to serve it without looking, a bit messy. Do you know what I mean? So this is what I do guys, and I slightly press it just to make sure it cooks properly, and I leave it for about a minute. The egg doesn't take too long to cook. It's just a very easy and quick thing to make. So guys, this is a trick that I do to make it look so good. So what I basically do is turn off the heat and get the plate, put it on top of the pan as you can see here, and just turn it over. Bam! As you can see. Et voila guys. Magical, right? This is easy, and look at it, you can't even tell that it was cracking a bit. It just looks nice and presentable. And yeah. So guys, as you can see here, I like to serve it with some black pepper on top of it, with some sausages, bread, fruit every now and then, and a coffee. Guys, I'm so into coffee these days. Like, it's been helping me a lot. So yeah, that is it guys. I hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to give it a like, comment, share with your friends and family. I'll really appreciate it. Subscribe if you haven't, and click on the notification bell guys, so you can be up to date when I post. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you guys on my next one. Bye bye.